Hi everybody.
Hi.
How's everyone doing?
Good.
Doing good?
Yep.
So I'm going to begin by telling you a story. My story begins at the age of 3, when I walked into the house of the Lord and I saw it fit to sing a song in my white frock with white stockings and white baby high heels. And I sang, "Mommies and daddies always believe that their little angels are special indeed." And I went on. And so began my love affair with Whitney Houston, of course, and with music. And from then on, I began to play piano, I played cello. My talents were nurtured, and I moved at the age of 16 to the United States. I went to United College, I sang there, and by God's grace alone, I made it into Princeton University. They didn't know what hit their campus, yo. And so at Princeton began some of the most beautiful yet trying times of my life. But during those trials, something happened. My musical womb was opened, and I began to give birth to my own music. Through my own experiences, I began to write. And so, ladies and gentlemen, welcome today to this place. Welcome to my birthday. And welcome to my soul.
That's right.
my